Hola clase, bienvenida a la clase de español. Me llamo Señor Otón, and if you are watching this, you are in my Spanish class. Today, we're going to go ahead and talk about which is it, gusta or gustan. Gustar means to like. Really what it means is something is pleasing to whoever the person is. If I wanted to say that I like potato chips, I'm really saying that potato chips are pleasing to me. If gustar is followed by an unconjugated verb or a singular noun, it will stay as gusta. So we have me gusta, I like, te gusta, you like, le gusta, he, she, or you formal like, nos gusta, we like, os gusta, you all like, and then finally les gusta, they like, or you all, and it's familiar like. If we wanted to say, for example, he likes to read a book, we're going to use gusta, just like I said. Le gusta leer un libro. Leer is a verb. All right. To say, I like the cookie, you could say, me gusta la galleta. All right, let's go on to the next one. So if gustar is followed by a plural noun, it's going to change to gustan. Me gustan, te gustan, le gustan, nos gustan, os gustan, and then finally les gustan. So to say I like cookies, we're going to use me gustan galletas. Please like and subscribe. Adios.